If you have a house in Beachwood, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Beachwood. And in this video, I'm going to explain why so many sellers in Beachwood prefer to work with us over working with a traditional buyer who might be using a mortgage or might be using a real estate agent. So with us, the reason people like working with us is we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means there's no cleaning, there's no fixing, there's no money out of your pocket or trips to the Home Depot, and there's no hauling anything away. So you could take with you anything that you want out of the house, anything that you don't want or don't need, you could leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. So what allows us to buy houses in their as-is condition is we are a true cash buyer, so we're not relying on a mortgage company, a lender, or a bank to approve this transaction. And that's typically what you're going to get with a traditional buyer who's using some kind of lender. They're going to send through a formal inspector, they're going to nitpick the house and scrutinize the house and really find everything they possibly can that's wrong with the house, compile pages and pages of this stuff. That's only going to be used against you. They're going to want credits, they're going to want discounts, they're going to want extensions, and then if this thing survives this thorough inspection, it gets worse, they're going to send their appraiser through. Typically the appraiser works for the bank, and we both know the bank has their own best interests in mind and not yours. They're looking for anything they possibly can do here to whittle you down, renegotiate, or just outright pull the rug out from under this thing, which is a complete waste of your time. Now you're back to square one, and in real estate, time is money, because every day that goes by that you haven't closed because they're wasting your time, it's costing you money in utilities, insurance, property taxes, and of course, opportunity cost. So if you have a house in Beachwood, you want to get a fair cash offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus on the website, but we're actually from Cleveland originally. We were just founded in Columbus, and we're very familiar with houses in Beachwood. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about your closing time frame. We can accommodate your needs. If you want to close quickly, we'll make that happen. Or if you want to create something more flexible, set a future closing date, that's perfectly fine too. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. If our offer doesn't work for you, there's never going to be any pressure or fake urgency, sales tactics, or gimmicks. We're going to make you a fair cash offer. If it works for you, great. If not, that's okay too. We're never going to waste your time. So if you have a house in Beachwood and you want to get a fair cash offer, or at least just see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.